In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find dropshipping products on Alibaba for Shopify. If you're looking to start a dropshipping business or expand your current inventory, Alibaba is a fantastic platform to source products. We'll take you step by step through the process, ensuring you have a seamless experience from start to finish. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Alibaba.com. This is your gateway to a vast array of products from suppliers all around the world. Once you're there, you need to click on your seller profile. This is essential because being logged into your seller account allows you to utilize all of Alibaba's functionalities tailored for sellers. Next, find and click on My Alibaba at the top of the page. This section is your personal dashboard where you can manage your account and resources. It provides you with a comprehensive overview of your activity and resources as a dropshipper. Now, you're going to click on Dropshipping. This section is specifically designed for those interested in the dropshipping model and will guide you in exploring ready-to-ship products. Once you're in the dropshipping section, proceed to click on Find Products. This will lead you to a search interface where you can start looking for products that align with your business goals. When you reach the search interface, you can begin to search for products to dropship. It's crucial here to use specific keywords related to products you're interested in, as this will filter results effectively and save you time. Once you find a product that catches your interest, click on the product to read its review. It's important to go through reviews thoroughly to understand the quality of the product and the reliability of the supplier. Reviews can provide valuable insights into the product's performance and customer satisfaction, guiding your decision-making process. After you've reviewed and are satisfied with the product, the final step is to click Start Dropshipping. This action indicates you're ready to begin the process of integrating this product into your Shopify store. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently find and begin dropshipping products from Alibaba for your Shopify store. Remember to take your time while exploring products and be diligent in reading reviews to ensure you're choosing high-quality items from reputable suppliers. This careful approach will help you build a successful dropshipping business. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your dropshipping journey.